Get yourself comfortable, uncross your legs and your arms, and listen to my voice. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, holding it for just a moment, and then release it softly through your mouth. With each breath out, allow your body to sink deeper into relaxation. Feel any tension in your face melt away. Let your shoulders drop as you exhale and let everything go. Let your limbs melt away as you sink into this serene moment. You are safe, you are calm, and you are ready to journey inward. Imagine yourself standing barefoot on lush, cool grass, and feel that grass beneath your feet, and feel how good it feels to be standing in nature with the gentle earth cradling your feet with unconditional support. With each breath, visualize roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the nourishing earth below. These roots draw up warm, steady energy that flows up through your legs into your body, filling you with a sense of stability and comfort. This grounding energy anchors you, creating a sanctuary of safety and strength within. Now, envision yourself standing at the edge of a vast, open field. This is your mind. It stretches far and wide, with patches of brilliant, colorful flowers and areas shadowed by dense, thorny brambles representing old, negative thoughts and toxic patterns. With a deep breath in, sense a warm, golden light emanating from the center of your chest. This light is your source of inner strength, wisdom, and healing energy. As you exhale, watch as this golden light gently flows outward, touching the dark brambles. And the moment the light touches these patches, they begin to dissolve and transform, turning into fertile, rich soil. As the golden light expands with each breath, it clears more of that field, effortlessly dissolving any negativity. Picture this light spreading across your mind, replacing the toxic areas with spacious, inviting openness. Feel a sense of relief, as if a weight has lifted, and experience the lightness of your newly cleared mind. Now, in this serene, open space, visualize yourself walking through the field and planting seeds of positivity. Each seed represents a powerful intention. I am at peace. I am confident. I am clear-minded. I am worthy. I am resilient. I am love. With each seed you plant, watch it sprout immediately, blossoming into beautiful, vibrant flowers that radiate warmth, love, and joy. Breathe in deeply and allow the uplifting energy from these blossoms to flow into every part of you. Feel the soft, fragrant breeze that whispers words of encouragement and empowerment, filling you with a profound sense of hope and harmony. Know deep in your being that this beautiful, tranquil space within you is always available to you. It's a sacred garden that you can return to at any time, a place where positivity flourishes and peace reigns. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your body, feeling a deep sense of calm and renewal. As you wiggle your toes and your fingers gently, reconnect with the present moment and the room around you, you'll notice that you're going to feel amazing. You're going to feel confident. And you're going to feel safe. Take another deep breath in, holding on to the feelings of clarity, peace, and empowerment that you've just cultivated. As you exhale, know that this tranquility and strength will remain with you, guiding you through your day with ease. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, clear-minded, and empowered. Embrace the realization that this field within you is yours to nurture and protect. It's your place of power. It's your place of positivity. It's your place of safety. And it's your place of peace. Thank yourself for taking the time for your own well-being and taking control of your own life. Carry this renewed energy and inner harmony with you, knowing that you are strong, capable, deeply supported, and deeply loved. Eyes open.